हेलो बच्चों, चलिए आज हम ABCD सीखेंगे। ब्राउन कलर, ब्लू कलर, येलो कलर, ब्लैक कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, पिंक कलर। A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for igloo. J for joker. K for kitten. L for lamp. M for mango. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tomato. U for UFO. V for vessel. W for water. X for X-ray. Y for yen. Z for zebra.